Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto in a food processor. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a good quality extra virgin olive oil, approximately 1/2 cup, and a small pinch of salt. Fresh ingredients are key for vibrant pesto. Now, let's get started with the food processor. Add your 2 cups of fresh basil, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, and a pinch of salt into the bowl. Pulse these ingredients several times until they are finely chopped and well combined. Make sure to stop and scrape down the sides of the bowl with a spatula to ensure everything is evenly processed. Next, it's time to add the cheese. Incorporate your 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese into the mixture. With the food processor running on a low setting, slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil through the feed tube. Continue processing until the pesto achieves a smooth, creamy consistency. You might need to add a little more oil for your desired texture. Finally, taste your freshly made pesto and adjust the seasoning. You might want to add a little more salt to enhance the flavors. Once perfected, transfer your delicious pesto to an airtight container. To keep it fresh, you can pour a thin layer of olive oil over the top before sealing. Store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week or freeze for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.